Okay, so next topic is trigonometric ratio. Okay, trigonometric ratio, page 32. Okay, is the relationship between the sides of right triangle. Given a right triangle, hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle. The side opposite the angle theta is referred as opposite side, and the remaining side is called adjacent side. The three common trigonometric ratios are sin theta, cos theta and tangent theta. So I think you all dah familiar dengan topik ni, trigonometric ratio. Okay, so this one you have angle here which is theta. So sudut yang bersebelahan ataupun side yang bersebelahan dengan theta adalah kita panggil sebagai adjacent ataupun sudut side bersebelahan. Okay, yang bertentangan ni adalah opposite side, and another one is hypotenuse, dengan syarat dia adalah right triangle. Okay, apa maksud right triangle? Triangle with 90 degree. Okay, so we have three common trigonometric ratios are, okay, so we have sin theta, cos theta and tangent theta, which are for sin theta, opposite over hypotenuse, for cos theta, adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent theta, opposite over adjacent. Okay, so yang ni you all dah familiar lah, sin, cos dengan tangent. Okay, then note here, we can rounding off to the nearest. Okay, thousands means 3 decimal places, hundreds means 2 decimal places, and tenth means 1 decimal places. Okay, kadang-kadang dalam soalan dikata bundakan dalam 3 decimal places, ataupun dalam kata lain dia boleh kata rounded to thousands. Maknanya kalau dikata rounded to thousand means that you need to rounded to 3 decimal places. Kalau hundreds means 2 decimal places, and tenth means 1 decimal places. Okay, so if you can refer example 8 here, find sin D, cos D and tangent D, express each ratio as fraction and as decimal rounded to the nearest thousand. Okay, nampak tak perkataan nearest thousand? Okay, bila dikata nearest thousands, it means that you need to rounded to 3 decimal places. So yang ni sebenarnya term yang baru, thousands, hundreds and tenth. Okay, so this one, if you have the figure here, okay, sin D, cos D and tangent D. Walaupun kat sini dia tak letakkan simbol theta, so bila dia express dalam D, maknanya awak automatik tahu kat sini adalah sudut untuk D. Kalau dia kata E, maknanya awak boleh ambil yang sini. Sini adalah E. Okay, kadang ditandakan theta macam rajah ke atas ni kan. Okay, so this one, sin D, sin is opposite hypotenuse. So opposite is 4, hypotenuse is 5. So 4 over 5 equals to 0.800. Sebab apa kita letak kat sini? Because 3 decimal places or nearest thousands. Okay, cos means adjacent over hypotenuse. So 3 over 5, it is equals to 0.600. And then another one is tangent. Tangent D, opposite over adjacent. So it is equals to 4 over 3 or 1.333. Okay, so next we have, this one is under trigonometric notes, trigonometric ratio values for special angles. Okay, what is the meaning of special angles here? If the question is asking on finding the trigonometric ratio in fraction or third, okay, in fraction or third, there are two special types of triangle that we need to consider. Okay, sebenarnya saya terangkan apa maksud kat sini. Kadang-kadang soalan tu dia kata bagi dalam bentuk pecahan ataupun punca kuasa. Third means punca kuasa, fraction means dalam bentuk pecahan. Maksudnya awak tak perlu solve dalam bentuk perpuluhan. Maknanya awak tak perlu gunakan calculator. Sebab bila calculator biasanya kita akan dapat nilai value dalam perpuluhan. So kalau soalan tu maknanya dia kata give your answer in fraction. Maknanya fraction ni dalam bentuk pecahan, or third, maknanya dalam bentuk punca kuasa. There are two types of special type of triangle that we need to consider. 45, 45, 90 triangle, 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, apa maksud dia kat sini? For these two special type of triangle, their trigonometric ratios for special angles can be found. Maksudnya kat sini awak tak perlu guna calculator. So, awak just tahu nilai-nilai untuk yang ni. 45, 45, 90, 30, 60, 90. Okay, apa maksud 45, 45, 90? If you can see the triangle here, this one is 90 degree. Okay, so kita tahu right triangle, this one is 90 degree. So 45, 45. Maknanya angle yang dua angle yang sama. So that's why kita panggil 45, 45, 90 triangle. Okay, so kat sini awak just hafal pun tak apa. Maknanya awak hafal side ni 1, nilai side ni 1, and then this one is square root 2. Okay, macam mana kita tahu kat sini square root 2? Sebab kita guna Pythagoras theorem. 1 square plus 1 square equals to 2 square root. Ingat tak? Yang teorem Pythagoras, dia kata A square plus B square equals to modulus C square. Okay, so awak akan dapat kat sini. So it means that this one is square root 2. So bila awak dah hafal rajah ni, maknanya awak hafal this figure. So it means that awak dah boleh tentukan. If we want to find theta equals to 45. So kalau sin 45, tak kisahlah nak ambil yang ni ataupun yang ni. Sin means opposite over hypotenuse. So you will get 1 over square root 2. Okay, same with cos. Cos adjacent over hypotenuse. So 1 over square root 2. And then tangent opposite over adjacent. So 1 over 1. Okay, cuma saya nak tunjuk kat sini. Sebab apa dia ada dapat nilai ni? 1 over square root 2. Dia samakan dengan square root 2 over 2. Nanti awak akan jumpa. Dia sebenarnya, cuba awak tekan kalkulator, dua nilai ni dia sebenarnya membawa nilai yang sama. Cuma kadang-kadang dalam maths kita tak nak ada square root dekat bawah. Bila kita tak nak ada square root dekat bawah, so kita ambil nilai yang asal 1 over square root 2, kita darab dengan square root 2 over square root 2. So atas ni kalau awak tengok 1 darab square root 2 akan dapat square root 2. Square root 2 multiply by square root 2 dia akan dapat 2. So it means that this value is same with this one. Cuma bentuk yang berbeza. Okay, sebenarnya sebab apa kita tak nak ada square root dekat bawah. So that's why kita darab yang ni. Bila awak darab yang ni sebenarnya dia tak ada problem. Sebab dia membawa nilai 1. Okay, then another one is triangle 30, 60, 90. Okay, so you can refer the figure here. Okay, sama juga macam tadi. Maknanya kalau kat sini 90 degree. Okay, so this one awak kena ingat nilai 1 dengan 2. So kalau kita nak theta equals to 60. Okay, so kat sini sebenarnya this one, okay, dia tak letak value kat sini. If this one is 1, this one is 2. So this one awak akan dapat square root 3. Okay, sebab apa dapat square root 3? Kita based on Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, okay, A square, ingat tak formula dia? Kat sini, okay, yang ni ada square root Okay, so 1 square plus kat sini. Katakan saya letak X. X square equals to square root 2 square. So kat sini 1 tambah X square sama dengan square root 4. So automatic kat sini kita tahu dia adalah nilai 3. So based on Pythagoras theorem. So it means that this one is 3. So if you want to find sin 60, okay, so it means that square root 3. Okay, sin tu apa maksud dia? Opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so if this one is 60 degree, so opposite here is 60 degree here. Okay, so opposite square root 3 over hypotenuse equals to over 2. Okay, cos is adjacent 1 over 2, hypotenuse 2. Okay, then tangent means opposite square root 3 over adjacent 1. So awak akan dapat untuk theta equals to 60. Same with theta equals to 30. Okay, same. So you can refer the triangle here, 30. So sin 30 equals to, okay, sin, what is the meaning of sin? Opposite 1 over hypotenuse 2. So 1 over 2. Cos means adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, so square root 3 over 2 and last one tangent. Opposite over adjacent. Okay, so 1 over square root 3. So this is the topic of trigonometric ratio.